The next thing I want to talk to you about is another mistake that people have or they've seen them make is if you have a tax refund coming to you. If you don't have to file bankruptcy at that minute, my position always is get the refund back. Use that money for your living expenses. Most people I see who are going to file bankruptcy with us have income and expenses which exceed the income. Well, let's say you need car repairs. You need to get the roof fixed. You need a new air conditioning unit. You need, air conditioning in the car fixed, and summer's coming. You're allowed to use your tax refund money for legitimate living expenses. That's what it's there for. So you want to think about that before you file bankruptcy and then go, oh my gosh, I'm going to lose my tax refund? That's how I pay my property taxes every year. Have I seen it happen to people? Yes. You've got to be careful when you're filing Chapter 7, especially like in the month of December, because now 11/12 of the tax refund has already been earned. Well, 11/12, if you count it out by the days, you're 11 and a half months in. So you only got like 2 weeks of the tax return left if you were going to file bankruptcy today, or 3 weeks anyway, in that time frame. You've got that time. You got to consider how much of that tax return is going to be property of the estate, meaning the bankruptcy estate, and then can you exempt any of it, meaning can I take any off the table to keep it away from my creditors? All that's got to be planned out. Again, Chapter 7, precision strike. You want to file it when you can to get the maximum benefit for you going forward. If you wait too long, mistake number one, that's a problem. If you get a second mortgage or something, that's going to be a problem because the bankruptcy trustee is going to want to know where the money went. If you also deplete an IRA or 401k, you may run into tax problems. That's why you got to be careful. That's bankruptcy mistake number 4. Look at the assets, find out what they are, disclose them all to your attorney. The only way your attorney can help you is to make sure everything's on the table and it's properly accounted for.